Welcome back to our Health and Beauty channel. Today, I'm going to dive into the topic of weight loss. Many individuals struggle with shedding those extra pounds, and I understand how frustrating that can be. But fear not. I am here to share the top 3 practical tips to help you achieve your weight loss goals. So let's get started. My first tip to lose weight starts with proper nutrition. It's important to remember that what we eat directly impacts our weight and overall health. So, what's our first step in the right direction? Healthy eating habits. The key to weight loss through nutrition is to make healthy eating a habit. This means incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your meals, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Additionally, avoid processed and sugary foods as they tend to be high in calories and low in nutritional value. Tip number 2. Portion control. Portion control is crucial in managing your calorie intake. A simple way to control portions is by using smaller plates and bowls. Also, listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Don't eat until you're overly stuffed, but rather stop eating when you feel satisfied. Remember, moderation is key. Now that we have covered the nutrition aspect of weight loss, let's move on to my next tip: physical activity. Exercise plays a vital role in burning calories and increasing metabolism, so where do we begin? A regular exercise routine is important for weight loss. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, each week. Additionally, incorporate strength training exercises, such as lifting weights or bodyweight exercises, to build lean muscle, which helps boost metabolism. Schedule exercise in your calendar or consider fitting it in during your lunch break. Additionally, finding a workout buddy or joining a fitness class can help keep you motivated and accountable. My final tip for weight loss revolves around making sustainable lifestyle changes. Healthy sleep habits. Establishing healthy sleep habits is often overlooked but can significantly impact weight loss. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sufficient sleep regulates hormones responsible for appetite control and boosts metabolism, making it easier to manage weight. Remember, losing weight isn't an overnight process. Be patient and consistent in practicing these tips. Focus on overall well-being rather than just the number on the scale. Surround yourself with a supportive environment, and most importantly, celebrate every small achievement along the way. By focusing on proper nutrition, regular exercise, and sustainable lifestyle changes, anyone can achieve their weight loss goals. Remember friends, it's all about making small changes that lead to big results. Stay motivated and committed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.